Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to install After Effects plugins to After Effects. So the best way to do this is by first downloading your plugin. For this one, we're going to download it using Mixit. So just choose any transition here that you're interested in using. So we'll be using this one right here. So let's just click on download. Then once that's downloaded, let's head over to our downloads file. From here, we want to extract this. So if you don't have WinRAR, best to download it. So here, extract and replace files. Then this is now our preset. So from here, what we want to do is we want to put this into our Adobe preset file. But first, make sure that Adobe After Effects isn't running. So let's move it to our documents. And then this is the file. Move it to Adobe. There we go. And then from here to After Effects. From After Effects to User Presets. And that's it. That's how you install Adobe After Effects on Adobe plugins on Adobe After Effects. To check this, just simply go to After Effects. And then once it boots or opens up, you kind of want to make sure that it's visible. So as you can see here, the pack manager is already installed there as well. So it's something that I put in a bit earlier. So here, animation presets should be here. And there we have it. Everything is here already. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.